Good afternoon, and welcome to the day-end market roundup for August 3, 2026. The Colombo Stock Exchange ended the session on a largely flat note, with the All-Share Price Index, ASPI, edging down by 7.43 points, or 0.04%, to close at 21,121.78, while the S&P SL20 index recorded a marginal gain of 0.31 points, or 0.01%, to finish at 5,940.29, reflecting cautious investor sentiment and a balanced trading session with limited overall market movement. The market recorded a total turnover of LKR 1.41 billion during the session, with crossings amounting to LKR 330.68 millinewtons. Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc and Haley's plc accounted for the highest value contributions through crossings and overall trading activity. Meanwhile, the total market capitalization stood at LKR 7,682.37 billion, reflecting a marginal change in overall market valuation amid a relatively stable trading session. Market participation remained largely driven by domestic investors, with domestic purchases amounting to LKR 1,398.94 millinewtons, while foreign purchases stood at LKR 12.28 millinewtons. On the selling side, domestic sales were recorded at LKR 1,320.49 millinewtons, compared to foreign sales of LKR 90.73 millinewtons. The activity reflected continued dominance of local investor participation, with foreign investors maintaining a net selling position during the session. Leading today's gains, Sethosa Motors plc emerged as the top gainer, followed by Wascadua Beach Resort plc, Tangerine Beach Hotels plc, SoftLogic Capital plc, and UB Finance plc. The strong performance across the automotive, tourism, and financial sectors reflected renewed buying interest, with investors selectively accumulating stocks that demonstrated positive momentum during the trading session. On the losing side, Standard Capital plc recorded the steepest decline for the day, followed by Kerner House Global Solutions plc, Harana Plantations plc, Tess Agro plc, and the Colombo Fort Land and Building plc. The pullback reflected profit-taking and selling pressure in selected counters, although the overall market remained relatively stable with only marginal movement in the benchmark indices. Supporting the market, Melstacorp plc was the largest positive contributor to the ASPI, followed by Hatton National Bank plc, Pan Asia Banking Corporation plc, Central Finance Company plc, and Aitken Spence plc. Gains in these heavyweight diversified, banking, and financial sector counters helped offset broader market weakness, allowing the benchmark index to close with only a marginal decline. On the downside, Cargill's Ceylon plc was the largest drag on the ASPI, followed by Hamas Holdings plc, Richard Pieris and Company plc, Carson Cumberbatch plc, and Access Engineering plc. Weakness in these heavyweight diversified, consumer, and construction-related counters weighed on overall market performance, contributing to the ASPI's slight decline despite gains in several other large-cap stocks.